And I told him, nice to meet you too, for the third time, and he already knew my name.
Burg, oh no.
He even said, we've met before, man. And I still said it. I said it again, Chloe.
This is why you're here.
Last episode, we talked about why our brains freeze in English conversations. Today, we are giving those frozen brains something real to say instead of panicking.
10 phrases, 10 real situations. And if you stay till the end,
there's a drill that will make these feel automatic, like scary automatic.
Say them in your sleep automatic.
Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Class Official, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Burg. We are happy you are again here with us today.
Okay, so quick question. Why do people freeze in conversations?
Because their brain goes blank and they have nothing to say.
Exactly. And what's the fix?
Having something to say?
Having something to say. But not just any words. These 10 phrases are what I call social glue.
Social glue? What does that mean?
It means even when you're confused, even when you didn't catch what someone said, even when you need more time to think, these phrases keep the conversation alive. They buy you time. They show you're engaged. They make you sound natural.
So it's not about knowing everything.
It's about never going completely silent. A small phrase can save a whole conversation.
These aren't random vocab words from a textbook. These are the phrases fluent speakers use every single day, without even thinking.
And after today, you'll have them too. Phrase number 1.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Repeat it.
Sorry, could you say that again? Hey, the meeting got moved to Thursday at 2:30.
Sorry, could you say that again? I didn't catch the time.
2:30. 3:30.
Got it. Thank you.
Now, common mistake?
Don't just say, what? Alone. It sounds rude, especially in formal situations. Sorry, could you say that again? Is polite, clear, and buys you the exact information you missed. Phrase 2.
That makes sense.
Say it with me.
That makes sense. So basically, the price goes up because demand is higher in summer.
Oh, that makes sense, actually. I never thought about it that way.
The mistake, people say, I understand too much. It sounds like you're talking to a teacher. That makes sense? Sounds like a real conversation. It shows you're processing, not just listening.
Phrase 3, and this one is a lifesaver.
Honestly, I'm not sure. What do you think?
Again.
Honestly, I'm not sure. What do you think?
So, which restaurant should we go to tonight?
Honestly, I'm not sure. What do you think?
You know the area better.
She just turned her confusion into a compliment. That's a superpower.
The trap is silence. When you don't know something, people go quiet and look panicked. This phrase fills the gap and invites the other person to talk, which is exactly what you want when you need a moment to think. Phrase 4. This one keeps you in the flow.
Right, totally.
Not like that.
Right, totally. Yeah, so I've been super busy, work's been crazy, the project deadline got moved up, it's just a lot right now.
Right. Totally. I've been there.
Don't overuse it. If you say right, totally after every single sentence, You sound like you're not really listening. Use it once or twice to show you're following along, then respond properly.
Phrase 5. This one is for when things get complicated.
Wait, let me make sure I understand.
Together.
Wait, let me make sure I understand. So, you need me to send the file to Sarah, but only after Mark approves it, unless the deadline is before Friday.
Wait, let me make sure I understand. I send it to Sarah after Mark approves, right? Unless it's before Friday?
Exactly.
The mistake is pretending you understood when you didn't. People are afraid to ask for clarification, but this phrase makes you sound careful and professional, not confused. It's a confidence phrase, not a weakness phrase. Phrase 6. Short, powerful, universally useful.
That's a good point.
Repeat.
That's a good point. That's a good point.
I think we should leave early. Traffic is usually bad on Fridays.
That's a good point. Let's go at 4 instead.
Trap. Some people say, you're right, 3 times in a row. It sounds nervous. That's a good point. Is calm, confident, and moves the conversation forward naturally.
Phrase 7. This is for when something is unclear, but you don't want to say, "What?"
How do you mean?
Say it.
How do you mean? Yeah, he's a bit,
How do you mean?
like, he tries too hard in meetings.
Got it.
Trap. Some people say, you're right, 3 times in a row. It sounds nervous. That's a good point. Is calm, confident, and moves the conversation forward naturally.
Phrase 7. This is for when something is unclear, but you don't want to say, "What?"
How do you mean?
Say it.
How do you mean? Yeah, he's a bit,
How do you mean?
like, he tries too hard in meetings.
Got it.
The trap is overthinking this phrase. It works in casual and professional settings. It's short, it's natural, it opens the door for more explanation without making you sound lost.
Phrase 8. This keeps conversations alive when you run out of things to say.
Tell me more about that.
Together. Tell me more about that.
I just got back from a trip to Portugal.
Oh, really? Tell me more about that. I've always wanted to go.
It was incredible. We went to Portugal.
This phrase makes the other person feel interesting and valued, so they keep talking. The trap is people think they need to always be speaking. In English conversations, asking great questions is just as impressive as giving great answers. Phrase 9. The empathy phrase.
I know what you mean.
Again.
I know what you mean. It's exhausting trying to explain yourself when people don't get it.
I know what you mean. It's like the more you explain, the more confused they get.
Exactly! Don't confuse this with, I understand. I know what you mean sounds warmer, like you felt the same thing. It builds connection. I understand can sound formal or even dismissive. Use the warmer version in casual conversation.
Phrase 10. Save this one. It will rescue you in important conversations.
Just to be clear,
Together.
together Just to be clear. All right, so we'll see you Saturday then.
Just to be clear, this Saturday at 7 at the cafe on Main Street?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. See you then.
People avoid saying this because they think it makes them look unsure. It doesn't. It makes you look precise and professional. Misunderstandings happen to everyone. The people who avoid them are the ones who confirm the details out loud.
Okay, drill time. I give you the situation, you say the phrase. Say it before Burg does.
Ready.
You too. Say it out loud. Seriously, it works better if you actually speak. Someone explains something complicated and you need them to repeat it.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Your colleague makes a smart comment in a meeting.
That's a good point.
Someone is venting about a hard week and you relate.
I know what you mean.
Someone tells you they just visited Japan and you want to keep the conversation going.
Tell me more about that.
Your instructions were long and complicated and you're not 100% sure you got it right.
Wait, let me make sure I understand.
You're asked your opinion on something and you genuinely don't know.
Honestly, I'm not sure. What do you think?
Someone says something unclear, like, yeah, he's like, you know how some people just...
How do you mean?
Plans are made and you want to confirm the details before you hang up.
Just to be clear.
Someone explains something and it actually clicks for you.
That makes sense.
Someone's talking a lot and you want to show you're following along.
Right. Totally.
How many did you get?
How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments. I want to know.
Perfect score is 10. No cheating. Okay, great work today. You now have 10 phrases that native speakers use every single day, and you know exactly how to use them.
I feel smarter already.
But here's what I see people do wrong.
Oh no.
Oh yes, they learn the phrases. They can repeat them perfectly. They ace the drill.
But then?
They say the right words in the wrong situation. And suddenly, that makes sense. Comes out when someone just told them their dog is sick. And they look like...
Yeah, that's bad.
Knowing the phrases is level 1. Knowing when and how to use them in real situations, that's level 2. That's the difference between someone who sounds like they're reciting lines
And someone who sounds like they actually live in the language.
and that is exactly where we're going next time.
So subscribe, because next episode is where it all clicks together.
And if this video helped you,
Like it.
share it with one person who needs it.
Drop a comment. Tell us which phrase felt the most useful.
Mine's phrase 3.
Honestly, I'm not sure. What do you think?
Exactly.
We'll see you next time.